Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the pressed glitter by Beauty Glazed. It has 15 color glitter eyeshadow palette, shimmer, ultra pigmented makeup eyeshadow, powder, long lasting, and waterproof. So let's see a little bit about this product. It's glimmer and shimmer eyeshadow. Better to apply with a glue with this palette of eyeshadow. The shadow will not remove and is waterproof. No more glitter and shimmer flying. It's a 15 color palette. Each color is unique. Beautiful, shiny, and pigmented. It's easy to use and looks great on your eyes. It'll last a long time. Glimmer and shimmer eyeshadow lasts a long time. Glittering factor with shimmer and finish gives you a comfortable using experience for shiny eyes. Widely used colors to suit your option. Can be used on the top lip, face, legs, body. Perfect suit for smoky eyes makeup, wedding makeup, party makeup, casual makeup. And when you get the Bestland Beauty Glazed eyeshadow, please notice if it has been broken because of the squeeze in the transportation process. Contact us and they will replace it. So I want to show you the colors. And it says to use your finger for the best distribution, so not a brush. So I'm going to show off a few colors. I really like this purple one here. So see how it comes off right on the finger. And then I'm going to dab it on my hand, press it on my hand because it still stays on the finger. So what I'm going to do is show you something else. I am going to use the Milani eyeshadow primer, and this is just a general beige primer. You want to give it a second, work in there, and have it kind of wet. So I'm going to go back with the purple, and you see what's on my hand still, and grab some more of the pigment of the purple, and it sticks better. See how much color comes off on my hand, on my finger. So this, if you notice, does not flake off. It stays on the hand because there is a primer underneath it. And this is pretty much a good coverage for your eye. So there's still pigment, there's still glitter on my finger. I can't really get it off necessarily without some makeup remover, or I can actually just use this paper towel here. See, the paper towel wiped off the one that was not used with the primer, and the one that was used with the primer is staying on. So I'm going to get a little bit of makeup remover so I can show you what else you can do with this fabulous palette. I love red lips. Red lipstick is everything to me. So what you can do, use a primer for your lips, then put the lipstick on, and then a secret I learned. So a secret I learned is to use strip lash adhesive for fake eyelashes. So this one is Duo, and you just put it on your lips over your lipstick and put it on your hand. I'm showing it on my hand, but you want it to get a little tacky, and I'm going to show you the red color on this so you can see that you can, it's not working that well, but you can use glitter. Yeah, it's not working well. Huh. Nope, it's all sticking to my finger. Yep, it all stuck to my finger. Well, I guess this one is not good for that type of application. And because it's the strip adhesive kind of comes off because it's a rubbery glue. Yeah, I'm sorry that didn't work. It worked for me before, but not this time. I would say I give these a 3.5 out of 5. They're not super soft. Obviously, they don't work crazy good as a lip, but they do work as an eye glitter with the Milani eyeshadow primer. So check this out and use it in conjunction with the Beauty Glazed Pressed Glitter 15 Ultra Pigmented eyeshadows. So don't take my word for it. Try it yourself, my beauties. And I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thanks so much.